Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we are going to work on part 2 of our little giraffe. Part 1 is already available here on the channel where we learned how to make the head and place the safety eyes. Now in part 2 we're going to make the giraffe's body. Let's get started. I have my head ready here. But before we move on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's continue. We stopped at round 23. Now for round 24, we are going to work single crochet in each stitch, but only in the back loops. So I'll pick up just the back loop only, BLO, and work one SC in each. We will have a total of 24 stitches in this round. Once round 24 is finished, let's move to round 25. We are going to work SC in each stitch using the front loops that we left unworked earlier. So, I'll insert my hook into the front loop only, FLO, and work one SC in each. We will have a total of 24 stitches again. Great. Now, for round 26, we are simply going to work SC in each stitch around. Again, we will have a total of 24 stitches. Alright, I've finished round 26. Now for round 27, we'll start the increases for the body. In this round, we'll work 3 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times. By the end of this round, you should have 30 stitches total. Round 27 is done. Now for round 28, we will work 4 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times. At the end of this round, we'll have 36 stitches total. Keep going with 4 single crochets and 1 increase. I've finished round 28. Now, for round 29, we will work 5 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times. By the end, we'll have 42 stitches total. Now that round 29 is complete, we are going to work from round 30 to round 39 with just SC in each stitch. All these rounds will have a total of 42 stitches. So just keep working stitch over stitch until you reach round 39. I'll finish my rounds and come back to continue with you. Alright, I've reached round 39, and it looks like this. Now, for round 40, let's start the decreases. We will work 5 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease. Repeat this sequence 6 times. At the end of this round, we'll have 36 stitches total. Finished with round 40. Now for round 41, we'll work 4 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease. Repeat this sequence 6 times. By the end, we'll have 30 stitches. Now, let's do round 42. 3 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease. Repeat this sequence 6 times to get 24 stitches. Remember, I've already added fiber fill to the head, and as we close the body, I'll be adding stuffing here as well. Perfect. Now for round 43, we'll work 2 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease. Repeat 6 times. We'll have 18 stitches total. Next is round 44. 1 single crochet and 1 invisible decrease. Repeat 6 times. We will have 12 stitches total. I'm adding more stuffing now. As you can see, I've put quite a bit of fiber fill in. Make sure to shape the piece as you go to keep it nice and round. Almost there. Now for the final round, round 45. We will work 6 invisible decreases, leaving us with 6 stitches total. I'm finished here, so I'll make a slip stitch. Now let's cut the yarn, pull it through, and using a tapestry needle, I'll make an ultimate magic ring, inverted magic ring to close the piece. Pull it tight, insert the needle through the center, and come out at a random spot in the back. I'll save this yarn end to fasten off later with the giraffe's tail. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and are following along with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Sending you a big hug, stay with God, and I'll see you in the next video.